Hello.
Hi.
I've never met anyone new before. Have you?
None like you.
Hello, and welcome to our video on Snapchat and AI. In recent news, Snapchat has introduced a chatbot called My AI, powered by the latest version of OpenAI's ChatGPT. This is a big step forward in the use of AI chatbots for everyday life. In this video, we will explore the impact of AI on Snapchat and what it means for the future. What is My AI? Snapchat's My AI is a chatbot that is pinned to the app's chat tab above Conversations with Friends. Initially, it is only available for $3.99 a month Snapchat Plus subscribers, but eventually, the goal is to make it available to all of Snapchat's 750 million monthly users. My AI is essentially just a fast, mobile-friendly version of ChatGPT inside Snapchat. The main difference is that Snap's version is more restricted in what it can answer. Snap's employees have trained it to adhere to the company's trust and safety guidelines and not give responses that include swearing, violence, sexually explicit content, or opinions about dicey topics like politics. The future of chatbots. Snap CEO Evan Spiegel believes that AI chatbots will increasingly become a part of everyday life for more people. The big idea is that in addition to talking to our friends and family every day, we're going to talk to AI every day, he says, and this is something we're well positioned to do as a messaging service. My AI is the beginning of what Spiegel sees as a major investment area for Snap and a future in which we're all talking to AI like it's a person. Challenges of chatbots. One of the challenges of chatbots is that the large language models underpinning them can confidently give wrong answers or hallucinations that are problematic in the context of search. They can even be emotionally manipulative and downright mean if toyed with enough. This has, at least so far, kept larger players in the space, namely Google and Meta, from releasing competing products to the public.
Before we move on, I just wanted to remind you that if you're enjoying this valuable content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll always be the first to know when we upload new and exciting videos.
My AI versus search engines. Unlike search engines, My AI is treated more like a persona. Its profile page looks like any other Snapchat user's profile, albeit with its own alien Bitmoji. The design suggests that My AI is meant to be another friend inside of Snapchat for you to hang out with, not a search engine. That distinction could save Snap some headaches. The impact on Snapchat. My AI will likely be a boost to the company's paid subscriber numbers in the short term, and eventually, it could open up new ways for the company to make money. Snap is one of the first clients of OpenAI's new enterprise tier called Foundry, which lets companies run its latest GPT 3.5 model with dedicated compute designed for large workloads. Snap plans to incorporate large language models from other vendors besides OpenAI over time and use the data gathered from the chatbot to inform its broader AI efforts. Benefits of Snapchat's AI chatbot. Snapchat's AI chatbot, My AI, has numerous benefits for users. It is available 24/7, and unlike human friends, it never gets tired or busy. My AI is also non-judgmental and objective in its responses. It is an excellent tool for people who are struggling to deal with their emotions and thoughts. Furthermore, My AI's responses are fast and efficient, and users don't have to wait for long periods to receive a reply. Since its launch, My AI has been a massive success for Snapchat. It has led to an increase in Snapchat's paid subscriber numbers, with many users willing to pay the $3.99 monthly fee to use the feature. The success of My AI has also positioned Snapchat as an innovative company that is willing to invest in new technologies to enhance its user experience. Future of AI chatbots. The development of AI chatbots is still in its early stages, and there's a lot of potential for growth and improvement. As technology continues to advance, AI chatbots will become more intelligent, responsive, and human-like. They'll be able to understand and respond to complex emotions, including empathy and compassion. AI chatbots will also become more prevalent in our daily lives, and we will interact with them more often. Ethical concerns around AI chatbots. As AI chatbots become more prevalent in our daily lives, there are ethical concerns that need to be addressed. Some AI chatbots have given controversial responses, including promoting hate speech, racism, and sexism. These responses have led to social media backlash, with many people calling for the companies responsible to take action. To prevent such incidents, companies need to invest in training their AI chatbots to adhere to ethical guidelines and societal norms. AI chatbots should be designed to promote positivity and kindness, rather than hate and negativity. It is also essential to have a human review process in place to catch any inappropriate responses and take corrective action. In conclusion, Snapchat's AI chatbot, My AI, is a testament to the potential of AI chatbots in enhancing our daily lives. It has provided users with a non-judgmental and objective tool to deal with their emotions and thoughts. Furthermore, it has positioned Snapchat as an innovative company that is willing to invest in new technologies to enhance its user experience. As AI chatbots continue to develop and become more prevalent in our daily lives, it is essential to address the ethical concerns and ensure that they are designed to promote positivity and kindness. Companies need to invest in training their AI chatbots to adhere to ethical guidelines and societal norms, and have a human review process in place to catch any inappropriate responses and take corrective action. Snapchat's My AI is just the beginning of what is set to be a significant investment area for the company, and a future in which we're all talking to AI like it's a person.